When we are in the middle of seed starting season, one of my favorite things to see is a cloudy day. Most of us gardeners are starting our seeds indoors underneath grow lights, and seedlings started underneath grow lights have a huge problem. Seedlings that have been growing their entire life underneath the gentle light of a lamp indoors cannot be simply carried outside and planted out into your garden because the intense light and the UV of the sun will burn them to a crisp. Your plants will be absolutely decimated. They will be outright damaged, if not killed completely. We must acclimate or harden off our seedlings slowly and progressively to tolerate the full strength of the sun. And we want to do that slowly over a period of time so they can build up a resistance to the UV index. And we have been blessed over the last 2 days to have really overcast skies, but overall mild and pleasant weather. Now, normally I don't like cloudy days, but when I am growing seedlings during the seed starting season, I love taking advantage of these overcast skies. So I'm taking advantage of this gray weather to both reacclimate the potted plants that spent all winter inside my sunroom to the true sunlight again, as well as for the first time introducing real sunlight to my seed-grown grow light vegetables. So these plants will get a much gentler introduction to the UV index because of the cloud cover, which blocks most of the UV, but still lets a little bit through to harden them. I also have my early tomatoes that are acclimating to the sun for the first time, and then my citrus plants and my overwintered peppers and things like that that spent all winter in the sunroom, well, they're getting their first real taste of true sunlight once again. Boy, it's windy. That being said, it is important to do this in waves. You don't want to give them too much sun exposure all at once. For example, it was very dreary all morning, but now that the afternoon is here, the cloud cover is starting to break up. So I don't want to give these plants too much at once, so I'm going to transition these back into the sunroom. For now, that's enough for the day. I'll introduce them more and more progressively over the next 5 to 7 days, and after about a week to 10 days of doing this dance in and out, they should be completely hardened off to the true sun. So take advantage of these cloudy days to acclimate your plants, but also don't rush the process. You should do this over the course of 7 to 10 days, even on a completely overcast day. You don't want to necessarily leave them outside for 8 to 10 hours straight if they've just come from your grow lights. And that's the best way to acclimate your plants to true sunlight. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.